Ever wondered what Delhi looks like from the sky? The bustling streets, the vibrant culture, the history, all of it, from hundreds of feet in the air? Get ready for an aerial adventure. We're going to take you on a journey over some of the most iconic landmarks in India's capital city. This video is best enjoyed in 16:9 aspect ratio, so sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing drone tours. Alright, we're live. Welcome everyone to another exciting journey through history and architecture. Today we're diving deep into one of India's most iconic landmarks. We're starting our journey at the India Gate, a monumental arch that stands as a testament to bravery and sacrifice. This is more than just a monument, guys. It's a powerful symbol of India's history, a tribute to the Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives during World War I. The Amar Jawan Jyoti, or the Flame of the Immortal Soldier, burns eternally under the arch, honoring the unknown soldiers who laid down their lives for the nation. Look at it. This towering archway stands tall and proud, a reminder of the courage and sacrifice of those who fought for their nation. The inscriptions on the gate bear the names of over 13,000 soldiers, a poignant reminder of the human cost of war. The India Gate was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, the same architect who played a major role in designing New Delhi. Lutyens was a visionary, and his work on the India Gate is a testament to his architectural genius. You can tell too. The man knew what he was doing. His attention to detail and his ability to blend classical and modern architectural elements are evident in every inch of this structure. The arch is made of sandstone and stands at a height of 42 meters. That's about 138 feet or roughly 14 stories tall. Imagine the effort and precision that went into constructing something of this magnitude back in the early 20th century. That's 14 stories tall. Can you believe that? It's massive. The sheer scale of the India Gate is awe-inspiring, and it's a marvel of engineering and design. And those gardens surrounding the monument? Beautiful, right? They provide a serene and picturesque setting that contrasts with the bustling city of Delhi. These gardens are a perfect place for reflection and relaxation. They provide a peaceful oasis amidst the bustling city. Families, tourists, and locals alike come here to unwind, take in the beauty of the monument, and pay their respects. The India Gate and its surroundings are not just a historical site but a living, breathing part of the city's fabric. Next up, we're heading to the Qutub Minar, one of the most iconic landmarks in India. This towering structure is not just a marvel of ancient engineering, but also a symbol of the rich history and culture of the region. And let me tell you, this thing is impressive. Standing at a staggering height of 73 meters, it dominates the skyline and offers a glimpse into the architectural prowess of the time. This is like the Empire State Building of its time. Imagine the awe and wonder it must have inspired in the people who saw it for the first time centuries ago. We're talking about the tallest brick minaret in the world, people. It's not just tall, it's a testament to the ingenuity and vision of its creators. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. The Qutub Minar is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture, attracting millions of visitors from around the globe every year. Just look at the intricate carvings, the intricate details. Each stone tells a story, each carving a piece of the puzzle that makes up this magnificent structure. This wasn't just a tower, it was a masterpiece. The craftsmanship is unparalleled, showcasing the skills and artistry of the artisans who worked on it. The Qutub Minar was built in the 12th century, and it's a stunning example of Indo-Islamic architecture. The blend of different styles and influences is evident in every aspect of its design. It's got these beautiful balconies, and the whole thing is covered in verses from the Quran. These inscriptions add a spiritual dimension to the structure, making it not just a monument but a place of reverence. You can feel the history here, you know? Every brick, every stone has witnessed centuries of change, of growth, of evolution. It's like stepping back in time. Walking around the Qutub Minar complex, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of history. The tower was built by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, the founder of the Delhi Sultanate. His vision and ambition laid the foundation for what would become one of the most significant empires in Indian history. And it was completed by his successor, Iltutmish. Together, they created a legacy that has stood the test of time, a monument that continues to inspire and awe. It was a symbol of victory, a declaration of their power. The Qutub Minar stands as a testament to their achievements, a beacon of their enduring legacy. Chapter 3, Red Fort, the heart of Mughal dynasty. Okay, get ready to be blown away because we're about to fly over the Red Fort. This iconic structure is not just a fort, it's a symbol of India's rich history and architectural brilliance. As we soar above, you can see the sprawling complex that once served as the epicenter of the Mughal Empire. This place is like the Buckingham Palace of India, except, way more impressive. Imagine the grandeur and the opulence that once filled these walls. The Red Fort was not just a residence, it was a statement of power and architectural prowess. This massive fort was the main residence of the Mughal emperors for nearly 200 years, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Diwan-e-Am, or the Hall of Public Audience, is where the emperor would address the public and hear their grievances. Imagine the scenes of royal court proceedings that took place here. The Red Fort gets its name from the red sandstone walls that surround it. These walls have stood the test of time, witnessing centuries of history unfold. The fort's imposing walls were designed not just for defense but also to showcase the might of the Mughal Empire. It's massive, covering an area of about 255 acres. That's like 193 football fields. The sheer scale of this place is mind-boggling. It was designed to be a self-sufficient city, complete with everything the royal family and their entourage would need. This was a city within a city, guys, complete with palaces, mosques, gardens, you name it. The fort complex includes the stunning Rang Mahal, or the Palace of Colors, which was the residence of the emperor's wives and mistresses. The lush gardens were designed in the Persian style, offering a serene escape from the bustling court life. It even had its own marketplace. The Mina Bazaar was a bustling market where merchants sold everything from jewelry to textiles. It was a place where the royal family could shop in privacy, away from the public eye. The fort was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the same guy who built the Taj Mahal. His vision was to create a fort that was not just a military stronghold but also a symbol of the empire's grandeur. The architectural details are a testament to the skill and artistry of the craftsmen of that era. The guy had taste, I'll give him that. The intricate designs and the use of precious stones in the construction are simply breathtaking. Every corner of the Red Fort tells a story of a bygone era, of a time when the Mughal Empire was at its zenith. So, as we explore this magnificent fort, let's take a moment to appreciate the history and the artistry that went into creating this masterpiece. Chapter 4, Lotus Temple, the Flower of Faith. Alright, prepare to be amazed because we're about to visit the Lotus Temple. This place is like something out of a dream, a giant white lotus flower blooming in the middle of the city. It's a Baha'i house of worship, and it's known for its stunning architecture and peaceful ambiance. The Lotus Temple was designed by Iranian architect Fariborz Sabah, and it was completed in 1986. The building is made up of 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in concentric clusters to form 9 sides. It's incredible. The temple is surrounded by 9 reflecting pools, which symbolize the 9 pathways to spirituality in the Baha'i faith. It's a place of peace, tranquility, and unity. Chapter 5. Humayun's Tomb, the precursor to grandeur. Last but not least, we're finishing our tour at Humayun's Tomb. This place is like the Taj Mahal's older, more sophisticated brother. It was built in the 16th century, and it was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's considered to be a precursor to Mughal architecture. The tomb was commissioned by Humayun's first wife and chief consort, Empress Bega Begum. She was heartbroken when he died, and she wanted to build him a tomb that would befit his status as a Mughal emperor. The tomb is a beautiful example of Mughal architecture, with its intricate carvings, its beautiful gardens. It's a fitting tribute to a great ruler. Thanks for joining us on this breathtaking drone tour of Delhi's top tourist destinations. From the historical grandeur of the India Gate and Red Fort to the architectural marvels of the Qutub Minar and Lotus Temple, we've witnessed the heart and soul of India's vibrant capital city. We hope this aerial adventure has inspired you to explore the wonders of Delhi for yourself. Make sure to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.